Hives, also known as urticaria, are raised, itchy welts on the skin caused by allergic reactions or triggers like stress, food, or environmental allergens. While conventional treatments such as antihistamines can relieve symptoms, many people seek natural remedies to reduce hives occurrence or soothe their discomfort. Below are 8 natural strategies to cure hives effectively. 1. Cold compresses to reduce inflammation. A cold compress is one of the quickest ways to relieve itching and swelling. Applying ice packs constricts blood vessels, slowing the release of histamines that cause hives. Use the following method. Wrap ice cubes in a cloth. Do not apply directly to the skin. Hold the compress against the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily to alleviate symptoms. Cold compresses are especially helpful for acute hives caused by heat, insect stings, or allergic reactions. 2. Oatmeal baths for soothing relief. Colloidal oatmeal is known for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent remedy for hives. It soothes the skin and reduces itching. Here's how to prepare it. Add 1-2 cups of colloidal oatmeal to lukewarm bathwater. Soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Pat dry gently and apply a fragrance-free moisturizer. Oatmeal baths are ideal for those with sensitive skin prone to allergic reactions. 3. Aloe vera for skin repair. Aloe vera gel has natural anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which can help calm hives and promote skin healing. Apply pure aloe vera gel directly to the hives. Leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing with cool water. Repeat 2 to 3 times per day for best results. Ensure you do a patch test first, as some people may be sensitive to aloe vera. 4. Quercetin, a natural antihistamine. Quercetin, a powerful flavonoid found in foods like onions, apples, and broccoli, is known for its antihistamine and anti-inflammatory properties. As a natural stabilizer of mast cells, it prevents the release of histamines, the chemicals responsible for triggering allergic reactions such as hives. By incorporating quercetin-rich foods into your diet or taking supplements, you can reduce the frequency of flare-ups. Over time, quercetin's ability to reduce histamine release can provide long-term relief for individuals suffering from chronic hives. 5. Vitamin D to strengthen immunity. Vitamin D, known for its essential role in immune health, is another powerful tool for reducing the frequency and severity of hives. Studies show a strong correlation between low vitamin D levels and the prevalence of chronic urticaria, suggesting that maintaining adequate levels of this vitamin can mitigate allergic responses. Vitamin D works by regulating immune system activity, preventing the overreaction that leads to inflammation and hives. It also promotes healthy skin by strengthening its natural barrier, reducing irritation and hypersensitivity. Boosting vitamin D levels naturally can be achieved through regular exposure to sunlight, with 15 to 30 minutes a day being sufficient for many people. Dietary sources like fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, fortified dairy products, egg yolks, and mushrooms, further support healthy vitamin D levels. For individuals with significant deficiencies or limited sun exposure, doctors may recommend supplements ranging from 1,000 to 4,000 IU daily. Monitoring blood levels ensures that supplementation is safe and effective. By improving vitamin D levels, individuals with chronic hives can experience fewer flare-ups and enhance their immune function, contributing to better overall health. 6. Stress management techniques. Managing stress is another effective strategy for controlling hives naturally, as emotional tension is a common trigger. When the body is under stress, it releases histamines, leading to allergic reactions and flare-ups. Additionally, chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making it harder for the body to fight off inflammation. Engaging in relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing can help mitigate stress-related hives. Practices like progressive muscle relaxation, PMR, which involves tensing and releasing muscle groups, are also beneficial. Mindfulness exercises and hobbies that bring joy can further reduce stress and support mental well-being. Adequate sleep and social interaction play essential roles as well, promoting both emotional health and immune function. Incorporating these relaxation techniques into daily life not only reduces the likelihood of hives but also enhances overall health. 7. Herbal teas for anti-inflammatory effects. Herbal teas have long been used for their calming, anti-inflammatory, and antihistamine effects, making them a natural remedy for managing hives. Green tea, in particular, is packed with antioxidants like catechins, which help reduce inflammation at the cellular level and improve the immune response. By curbing the release of histamines, green tea can alleviate the redness and swelling associated with hives. On the other hand, chamomile tea is well known for its soothing properties, both for the skin and the nervous system. It acts as a mild sedative, helping reduce itching and promoting relaxation, which is crucial when stress or anxiety triggers flare-ups. Incorporating 2 to 3 cups of herbal tea daily into your routine can gradually provide relief from chronic hives, especially when combined with other anti-inflammatory foods. However, it's essential to ensure that you don't have allergies to certain herbs, as this could worsen your symptoms. If you're sensitive to pollen or ragweed, for example, chamomile might not be suitable. Experimenting with different herbal teas like peppermint, ginger, or rooibos may also yield beneficial effects. With regular use, herbal teas help the immune system remain calm, reducing the severity and frequency of hives over time. 8. Avoiding known triggers. Avoiding known triggers is another crucial step in managing hives effectively. Chronic hives are often aggravated by specific foods, environmental allergens, or stressors, so identifying these triggers is essential to preventing future outbreaks. Keeping a symptom diary can help track patterns between your diet, lifestyle, and the occurrence of hives. For instance, certain foods like shellfish, nuts, or food additives may act as triggers, while environmental factors such as pollen, dust mites, or scented products can worsen symptoms. Beyond avoiding allergens, it's important to make lifestyle adjustments to minimize irritation. Wearing loose, breathable clothing can prevent the skin from becoming aggravated, especially in hot or humid weather. Similarly, using hypoallergenic skincare products and detergents reduces the risk of allergic reactions. Simple steps like switching to unscented laundry soap or cleaning regularly to minimize dust buildup can significantly impact the frequency of outbreaks. The key is consistency. By identifying and eliminating personal triggers, individuals with chronic hives can better manage their condition without relying heavily on medications. Managing hives naturally involves a combination of soothing remedies and lifestyle changes. Cold compresses, oatmeal baths, and aloe vera offer immediate relief from itching and swelling. Long-term strategies like boosting vitamin D levels, managing stress, and taking quercetin supplements can help reduce chronic hives. Additionally, identifying and avoiding triggers is essential for preventing future flare-ups. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting new supplements or making significant lifestyle changes. With these natural remedies, you can effectively manage hives and enjoy healthier skin without relying solely on medications.